Fruits are fresh and colors bright. Tony smiles with pure delight. Kitchen fun the way, healthy juice we make today. Everything feels right, everything feels right. Apples, oranges, bananas too. Tony picks a healthy few. Looking close with happy eyes, fruits are nature's best prize. Good for me and you. Slice the fruit so nice and neat, making pieces small and sweet. Tony works with care and joy, healthy habits for a boy. Preparation is a treat. Into blender fruits now go. Watch the colors start to glow. Tony smiles and leans, and juice is almost ready here. Fun begins to grow. Press the button, watch it spin. Magic blending will begin. Colors mixing all around, smoothest juice is what we found. Let the fun begin. Pour it gently in the glass. Watch the golden colors pass. Tony smiles so proud and bright. Juice is looking just right. Moments that will last. Add a straw and fruit on top. Make it pretty, never stop. Tony laughs and decorates. Healthy drink he celebrates. Fancy juice we drop. Sip by sip, it tastes so sweet. Healthy drink is such a treat. Tony smiles and closes eyes. Joy and flavor both arise. Nothing can compete. Strong and happy, full of cheer. Healthy juice gives power. Tony shows his strength with pride. Energy he feels inside. Best drink of the year. Sharing drinks with friends is fun. Kindness shines like the sun. Tony gives with happy heart. Friendship is the bar, everyone.